I was in denial. I hated myself. I hated what was happening then. I hated a lot of people because they're saying you have to accept it and all. When I underwent major operation because of a tricycle accident, which I consider a blessing in disguise. I was 24 then. I was diagnosed with multifocal Langerhans cell histiocytosis X. So it's a rare type of cancer. I was in denial. I hated myself. I hated what was happening then. I hated a lot of people because they're saying you have to accept it and all. But there are people who did not give up, especially my mom, my friends. They did not give up to motivate and encourage me until I learned to motivate myself. I detach myself to my faith, to my religion. It's as if I thought nobody deserves that kind of situation. So I considered myself as if I was a victim of something. I felt so unfortunate. I felt so unlucky, unblessed, and all that. So it's as if it was my worst, let's say, it was the worst moment of my life. I started praying. I started, it's like consecrating myself again to God, because it's important to acknowledge your sickness first. I acknowledge that I have this kind of illness. Five years from now, I will just say, thank you, Lord. 5 years from now, I will just look back and tell myself that I'm proud of myself because I was able to overcome such not so easy challenge. One way para mag-give back sa Lord, one way para magpasalamat kay God, yun nga, makipag-partner sa mga outreach programs kahit wala akong budget. Yung talent mo, yung mga masasabi mo, yung mga na-experience mo, malaking bagay yun kasi hindi nabibili yung encouragement. Fight. Kasi wala nang ibang lalaban para sa'yo kundi yung sarili mo. But you cannot do it alone. So, be with your friends, be with your family. Most of it, syempre, be with God.